Hi guys, so we have very good update from four companies: Amazon, Sagility, Fusion5 Technologies, and Techsolvo. These four companies are conducting walk-in, and also we are having work from home opportunities. Like Sagility and Fusion5 Technologies company, these two companies are conducting direct walk-in for freshers. Roles are Java, Python, DevOps, testing, and Sagility conducting for non-vice role. So Amazon conducting work from home opportunity, which is a virtual customer service role, and Techsolvo company is also hiring for freshers, guys. So if you are interested toward these companies and whatever they mention roles here, let's see the more details regarding these opportunities. So guys, here you can see Fusion5 Technologies Private Limited company have updated in LinkedIn portal that they are conducting walk-in recruitment drive for freshers. So date of walk-in is 18th August 2024, that is on Sunday. Time is 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Venue also they mentioned beside flyover Telecom Nagar Extension, Gachibowli, Hyderabad, Telangana. And available positions they mentioned, if you have knowledge in Java, DevOps, Python, testing, any one of these technologies, you can attend for this opportunity and grab the opportunity, don't miss it. And eligibility criteria, fresh graduates are those with no prior experience, passion for learning Java and DevOps and Python and testing, ready to commit to a 6 months training program. So guys, they didn't mention batches 22 or 23 like this, they didn't mention. So guys, whoever have knowledge toward these roles, technologies, you can attend for this opportunity. And the required documents: updated resume, passport size photographs, and valid ID proof. And the process of interview is, first of all, you have to register, that is pre-registration is mandatory. After that, a preliminary interview will be there, and third round is technical or skill assessment. Finally, they will conduct one interview. Note, pre-registration is mandatory. Candidates with prior experience are not eligible. This is only for freshers only, and only pre-registered candidates will be allowed for the walking. For more details and to pre-register, please share your resume at careers@of fusion5technologies.in mail. So guys, so these are the main details. If you are interested, if you have any one of these technologies, you can send your CV to this mail and attend. If you got any shortlisted mail or any other information, you can attend for this opportunity. Don't miss it. Thank you. Sagility conducting mega walk-in for international non-voice process. So guys, I have made a video regarding interview process of Sagility for non-voice or voice roles. So once look at my channel, so if you so that you will get an idea regarding this opportunity. And this opportunity is for freshers. They have 20 vacancies. Location is Chennai. So time and venue for walk-in is between 7th August to 16th August, 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. They mention location and contact number also. If you want to contact before walk-in, you can contact via mobile number. They mention CTC 2.15 lakhs per annum, take home 13K per monthly, and interview date and time and process is US healthcare process, and work location Sagility, Chennai, and graduation is mandatory from 22, 23 and 2024. So past arts and science graduates only. Free transportation also available for pickup and drop. Willing to work in night shifts, typing skills and excellent English communication, and carry educational documents, Aadhaar card and PAN card. Kindly carry attested copy UG mark sheets. So these are the main details. If you are interested and eligibility for this opportunity, you can attend for this walking. Techsolvo company is looking to hire for a Python developer role, and qualifications they mention BA or BTech, CS or IT are eligible, and 2023 and 2024 passed outs only eligible for this opportunity. Only candidates from indoor or nearby locations will be considered. Knowledge of Python, web frameworks, Django, Flask projects are certifications in Python, and excellent communication and problem solving skills. So these are the requirements. And if you have these requirements and if you are interested toward this opportunity, you can apply by clicking on this application link. They also provided application link here. So guys, this is also one of the very good opportunity. You can also send your resume to mail hr@techsolvo.com. And Amazon is looking to hire for virtual customer support associate role, Delhi, India. Role is they mention, and job type is seasonal, contractual. Location is work from home in Delhi. And strength will you bring: hardworking, articulate and detail oriented, friendly and customer focused in every situation. Ability to learn quickly and embrace change. Comfortable multitasking in a high energy environment. and everything they mentioned. Basic qualifications: minimum age 18 years old and have the right to work in India. Strong communication skills in English, both written and oral fluency. The availability to work varying shifts from Monday to Sunday within the operating hours. Willingness and ability to work in rotating shifts. You will need a quite distraction free workspace, and from a technical perspective, a minimum broadband connection of 100 MB download speed and 20 MB upload speed using a hardwire Ethernet internet connection, no Wi-Fi. So guys, these are the qualifications and requirement, everything they mentioned here. If you are interested, once look at this opportunity carefully, read every information. If you met the eligibility, you can apply for this opportunity.